Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and all sorts of things, anime, all sorts of things. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a character from Drawing Animals Shape by Shape, which is one of my most popular books, and it's available at all booksellers. So let me quickly turn to the page. There it is, page 111, a baby seal. I love seals, they're so adorable. I wish I had one as a pet, or a brother, but not gonna happen. Anyhow, let me show you how to draw them and we'll see how close we came. So we're going to start with simple shapes. First shape is going to be the head because he's in a pose where his head is up and the body is down. So we'll start with a circle. What if you can't draw a perfect circle? It doesn't matter. Really, it doesn't matter. It's just a starting place. I mean, if you end with a perfect circle, terrific. If you don't, terrific. So put down anything and let's just get started. Right, now I have to come out to the end of the face, almost the very edge of the face. Well, come out a little bit earlier. So you come out here, so the face is a little further than the chest and neck, and you bring this down, and now you're on level ground here. He's on the ice floe, okay? But a very slinky body. So this is kind of like the chest, and this is the neck. Then we'll draw the back, and go down to the tail, which will come like this. Okay? Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can change it, you can alter it, anything you need to do. Over here, right toward the middle of the face, we'll do the fin, or the hand really. It's not a fin because he's not a fish. And we put the other one on the other side. It shows that he's maintaining his balance. And little striations here, little individual fingers and toes showing. Okay, so now we really have a lot of him this way. This is his back, this is the waist, this is the rump, chest, and stomach area. So let us continue and draw that adorable face. I hope it'll be adorable. Center line divides the face evenly, and if it's not even, let's say it's got too much space on the left side, not enough on the right, you know what you can do? Add a little more space, even it out. That's all. You're not stuck with anything you draw. You make a mistake, just change it. That's what professional artists do. I'll say low with the eyes, low on the face right here. And they have really big eyes. A little bridge of the nose to start, and a cute little nose. Cute little triangular nose, like that. Now I'll put big eyes here, and these are going to be circles. As close to circles as we can come. If they're not perfect, they're not perfect. Don't worry about it. But cute little circles. And we're going to make them glisten. We are going to definitely make them glisten. And I'm going to show you how. Now you've all heard and seen shines in the eyes. It makes it look, you know, shiny, etc. But if you want to make them look like they really glisten, what you do is you put a shine on one side like this, and you put a shine different size on the other side. And what that does, it makes it look like there's a lot of light hitting it. It looks kind of moist and glowing. Now, because he's so darn cute, we have to give him a cute smile, and it's going to be a small smile. Big smiles aren't used that often for cute characters. Now, I want you to see something. This is a split lip. I've talked about it in other videos. And the seal has it. And what that means is a little bit, the bottom, the front lip goes up a little in the middle next to the nose. See, both sides go up. It's not straight across. And that helps him look like what he is, a seal, and it's cute. Eyebrows are a little high on the head because he's got a cheerful expression. And we'll add a little mask to the outside of the head like this. I'll add a little more to give him a little bit of a plump, cute look. Okay. He's so cute. And long whiskers in this guy. We're going to give him a little line behind him to show that he's on the ice floe. And we'll also use this area here for the chest to just, you know, have a little marking. Now I'm going to bring this in a little bit more. You may not need to bring yours in more, but I thought mine needed it, so I decided to give it a try. Okay, no hair on top of the head. Let's see what we can do. We're ready to darken it in. You can darken it in with whatever instrument you're using. Now I gotta be careful not to go over those shines. To do the outline so it's round or round-ish. And avoid those shiny areas. That's pretty good. That'll work for me. That's the one. Second one. So do the outline. Go around those shines. All right. Another one. Good. And let's give him that little cute little button nose here. Shape of an upside down triangle. Little tiny cheek creases. I mean, those are important. And they're tiny. They just give you a little oomph for the smile. And in for that split cheek, split lip, like that. Let's give him some long whiskers. A nice rounded bridge of the nose, maybe a marking or two. Build those eyebrows up, which brings attention toward the smile. And nice and round. Nice and round here. Same thing. And let's bring that chest and neck around. Nice flowing line that flows right through, so you have to make sure that it would actually meet here, so you kind of visualize it through the front flipper. There we go, that works. A little bit of the back, dip, and the rump over here. A few lines, like that. Now in this one, we're going to add a little bit of a shadow because it's in the background. And the back here, the background line. Okay, there you go. So let's see how, first we have to erase. Get all the schmutz off. Schmutz not allowed. Last time I drew a seal and left the markings and guidelines, he got very upset. So, promised I wouldn't do that again. All right, so here is the seal in the book in color, and here's the black and white version that we just did. So I hope you like it. Again, the book is called Drawing Animals Shape by me, Christopher Hart. I hope you'll pick it up. All right, I also hope you subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every Monday, and if you post a comment, I will try to get back to you. I really appreciate my readers and my viewers. Thanks again. Bye-bye.